How to download the statements of your American Express. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can download the statements of your Amex account. So to do that, first of all, go to any web browser of your preference and in the web address bar, simply type in americanexpress.com. After that, simply log into your account, and once you've logged in, your homepage will look somewhat like this, where in order to download the statements, you can go through two different options. So first one, you can basically tap the statements tab on the top left side of your screen, or else if you have multiple cards, you can also select your particular card and then tap on the option download your statements, which is right over here. Now once you've done that, you will be taken to the statements page or statements tab, where you can see all the different statements you have on your account. You can first of all simply view the statement, and if you want, you can also simply tap the option download. Choose your file type. It can be a PDF, Excel sheet, CSV, QuickBooks, etc. Once you tap on the option download, you'll have successfully downloaded the statements of your Amex account. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.